amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much. I'm in the kitchen again with another recipe, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with one of your favorite and green apple. 4 ingredients into the blender. Blend it and drink it. That's not my book. Grab yourself one. So I'm gonna show you how to make it, and you guys can also do the same thing at home. All right. Apple. You don't have to strain it, to be honest with you. Again, when you do it this way, and it's easy.